So let's try to change the batteries for my Omega watch. Let's see, we have all the tools with the batteries. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, sorry. And it's expensive, but not that expensive. So this is the tool. This, as you can see, this is like, dande hege de side na de. So this tool works for that. You know what? Let me just put this mouse pad here. It's gonna be safer for the glass. Yeah, it's an expensive watch. So fix this. Make sure this here. I'm gonna use all that one. Change off now. Let me see. That's right. That's fine. So now I put it here and then yeah, start holding. Yep. Yep. It is. That's the nice. Okay, this is open, so now we're gonna use this. For this, open it. Okay. Make sure, keep quiet, guys. Make sure there's a rubber in there to make it waterproof. That doesn't get off. Yeah. Here is the rubber. There's a blocker which makes it waterproof. So make sure you don't lose that. Okay. So now time to change the battery. Here's a battery. Yeah, here's a battery. Make sure we have the battery for this. So we have the battery, I guess. Let's just take it out with this tool. This is for my YouTube channel. I'm putting it. I'm gonna make it.
Okay. How do you even know how to fix a watch?
I know a lot of things.
Why are you making a video? I want to make a video. I want to make a video.
Okay, it's out now. It is out. Let's change it with another one. Alright, here it is, the new one. You just slide it in. It's gonna slide it in like this. What?
Yeah,
Okay, now it's working. Okay, they're good. So you gotta put it back on. Same way. Make sure the seal is still there. Okay. So you can just twist it a little bit. ध्यान नाल लानी है कि चूड़ियां ना खराब हो जान किते क्योंकि नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर ऊपर नहीं होनी Make sure it's tight enough so that it's waterproof. Not tight. This is good. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, you see the second thing? It's working. It's turning. Right? Okay. Let's see everything else is working. Yeah. The timer starts now. Timer starts. Say it again.
And And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and comment and share. This way we get more reach to more people. Thank you so much. Our watch is working perfectly.
And goodbye.
Goodbye and God bless you all and happy holidays.
It's